Once upon a time, in a land far away, lived 5 princesses with problems that needed to be solved using physics. And the only person that could save them from their physics woes was the physics nerd. First, there was Jessie from Toy Story.
The prospector has kidnapped Woody, and I need to save him. I know that it takes 100 newtons of force to knock out the prospector, and my lasso is 2 meters long. At most, I can swing my lasso at 10 meters per second. Will I ever know how much weight to put at the end of my lasso to ensure that I can rescue Woody?
Well, I know the answer. First, let's calculate the centripetal acceleration of the lasso. So it's a sub c v squared over r equals 10 squared over 2. So that equals 50 meters per second squared. Well, now that you know the centripetal acceleration of the lasso, you can use Newton's second law for the centripetal acceleration to calculate the mass of the sinker you need to attach to your lasso. So what you do is you do the net force equals mass times the centripetal acceleration. So then you get 100, and you get the mass, and then you times it by, or you divide it by 50, and you get 2 grams. In order to save Woody, you must attach 2 kilogram sinker to the end of your lasso. So that's it. That's all you have to do.
Thanks, physics nerd.
No problem.
After Jessie helped save Woody, Snow White needed help. Let's hear her problem.
Every time I eat these delicious apples, I fall asleep, sometimes Snow White, until Prince Charming comes along to find me. My dwarfs need to know how much work they will need to do to lift me up into my coffin, where I will wait for Prince Charming to find me.
Well, I can help with that. So, if Snow White weighs 56 kilograms and the acceleration of gravity is 9.81 meters per second squared, then the force that will be needed is 550 newtons, because force equals mass times acceleration. I mean, everybody knows that. It's just common knowledge. I mean, come on, guys. The distance a dwarf will need to pick her up is 2 meters. Force equals work times distance, so 1,100 joules will be needed. Okay, there it is. It's settled.
Thanks, physics nerd.
No problem.
Now we move on to Pocahontas.
Hi, my name is Pocahontas, and I wish I knew how fast I have to run to jump off this cliff so I'll land in the right place.
Okay, Grandma, I'm gonna have to let you go. I have to help somebody. Okay, Grandma. Okay, bye, Grandma. Oh, so I heard you need some help here.
Yeah, can you help me?
Yes. Well, the cliff is about 80 meters high, and the landing distance is 120 meters away. That means it will take you 4 seconds to fall. Knowing the height, I can calculate the velocity, which is going to be 30 meters per second. There you go. I mean, it's all set. Now I can call my grandma.
Thanks, physics nerd.
Oh, you're welcome.
Now we see Cinderella at the ball.
Oh no, I have to make it home in time by midnight, but I have 30 seconds to make out, and the door's 100 meters away. What do I do?
Well, I can help you. Well, we know that the velocity equals the distance over time. So let's look at your situation here. You have to run 100 meters in 30 seconds. So to find out how fast you're gonna run, let's plug it into the equation. 100 meters over 30 seconds will equal 3.33 meters per second. So there you go.
That's how fast I have to run?
That's it.
Thanks, physics nerd.
Oh, you're very much welcome.
And finally, we see Jasmine waiting for Aladdin to come on his magic carpet.
Oh, Aladdin, I'm gonna fall 10 meters to the ground, but luckily my magic carpet is coming towards me. I need to know how long it will take for me to fall so I can land on the carpet at the right time. What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna jump!
No, don't do it! Don't do it, wait! Don't jump!
Who are you?
I'm the physics nerd.
Oh.
Everybody knows that.
If you're here, can you help me?
Of course I can. So, we know you're gonna fall 10 meters. That distance equals the distance original plus the original velocity times time, plus 1/2 the acceleration times time squared. Jasmine's starting velocity is 0, so the time it takes for her to fall is the square root of 10
her height divided by the acceleration of gravity times 1/2. It will take Jasmine 1.43 seconds to fall. She will need to jump when the carpet is 7 meters away because distance equals velocity over time. The carpet is moving at 10 meters per second divided by the 1.43 seconds it takes for her to fall. Works out to 7 meters. There you go. You can jump now.
Thanks, physics nerd.
Anytime.
Thanks again, physics nerd.
Oh, anytime.
And so, with the help from the physics nerd, all 5 Disney princesses lived happily ever after. The end.